on the plowing again because, well, it snows a lot this year. It's been snowing a lot, and we love it. Absolutely love it. Keep it coming. So how was everyone's Christmas? Everybody's holiday? Everybody have a good one? You may have seen our video on Christmas with the hammers. Yes, the hammers. There's actually a little bit more backstory to that video. Might as well tell that now while we're sitting here chatting and plowing. So, about a year ago, maybe even 2, I saw those hammers, the Thor hammer toolboxes, and I thought they were freaking epic. And I showed them to Gene, and he thought it was pretty epic too. But since then, it's basically, yep, lots of snow right there, yeah. Anyway, since then, it's basically just been random. Every now and then it's mentioned, you know, because they were cool. And Tank Tolman, yeah, tag him if y'all like it, because if he yells hammer to me, I'm gonna be stoked. Anyway, moving on. So, as I was saying, so we've been talking about these Thor toolbox hammers for a while, right? But not actively enough that it was a normal conversation, you know? So I got him one for Christmas because I thought it would be epic. And we were only doing like one thing for Christmas this year. We were keeping it small, you know, like I said, all the kids and everything were with other in-laws. So it was just a tiny, small Christmas. So one gift each, right? And we both got each other Thor's hammer. Out of everything on the Amazon universe or anything anywhere in this universe, all the randomness, the only thing we got each other was Thor toolbox hammers. It's the only thing we got for each other, and it's hilarious. I think it just made it so much better. It was awesome. Now, about 3 or 4 days before Christmas, somehow I just got this thought in my head that we had gotten each other the same gift. I told him it was the most random thing ever that I got him, but I felt like somehow we got the same thing. And his response to that was, not a chance in hell. What I got was so random, there's no way you got it too.
Yeah, no kid.
And, well, we did, and that's awesome and hilarious, and I don't know, I think it made it like the best Christmas and Christmas gifts ever, because that was just purely epic.
It was pretty awesome.
My sister-in-law is getting a major kick out of it because I'm not allowed around hammers with my brother. He's scared of me and hammers. That's a story for another day. Let me know if you want to hear it though. That would be one of those late night stories I'll post, you know, because, yeah, I don't know how much Big Papa YouTube would like all of that story. Anyway, as you can see, it's still snowing, still coming down. Yay. Another couple announcements I guess we could make. I've spoke about it a few times about Egypt and how I seem to have a high viewership in Egypt and how much that excites me. Like, I love it. It's amazing. Well, as of yesterday, last night, whatever, my viewership has actually become larger in Egypt than it is in the United States. Yes, I have a larger Egypt viewership than I do in the United States. I've also got some viewers in the Netherlands and Greece now, and that's just amazing. But shout out to all my Egyptian subscribers, and I'm so stoked that you guys are here with us. You have no idea. It's pretty amazing. It really is. Yeah, there is a Kia under all that snow pile.
And a Chevy.
Yeah, and a Chevy on the other side. Hi, Kevin. I got the Kia from Kevin. He's also the reason I'm in Alaska, so shout out to Kevin. Love ya. We'll always love ya. Old school friend. We've known each other since we were like 10 years old. I'm not going to say how many years that's been.
At least 3.
Shut up. Shh. You're not allowed to talk. Nope. On that note, the reason it's a bit of a touchy subject is I have a rather large round number birthday coming up next month, the end of January. Yeah, I'm not happy about it. Not looking forward to it. It's a number I'm not excited about at all. Nope. Anyone want to take a guess what that number is? Well, if you know who I am, you know what the number is. But, you know. My people in Egypt don't know how old I am. Sorry, I'm still kind of coffee from everything. What?
Look how fluffy the snow is.
Yeah, it's very fluffy. Lots of powdery.
You push this stuff faster, it moves really light.
What?
The snow's really light, it pushes really easy.
I think I need to get you one of those like little microphones, the little teeny tiny ones, and like hook it to your thingy so people can hear you. Look at how that's flying. Windshield's getting really wet today with everything flying on it.
Gotta love the heated cab.
Yes. Heated enclosed cab. Another little announcement we've got, well, not so little, but also great. Well, going back to all those subscribers we've got lately. Before I started this video, we had 7,570 subscribers now, which is insane. And what does that mean, babe?
That means we're getting real close to our new 100-inch TV.
Yeah, that 100-inch TV, which may possibly end up being an 85-inch, just because we've been doing a lot of research on it, and it seems like the 85s have a lot less problems so far, because the 100s are still rather new. So we might be going with an 85. Either way, it's still big enough to be a room partition, so it doesn't matter.
It's gonna be huge.
Yeah, huge is definitely a statement. So what do y'all think? Should we get a microphone for Gene so you can hear him better? Lots of snow drifts will come down to that one.
Oh yeah.
And according to my phone, it's supposed to be windy tomorrow.
Sounds about right.
Yeah. We will be in Fairbanks tomorrow. I probably won't be making any videos tomorrow, but I've got plenty to post. Little floor in it there. Chill here for a second while the truck passes. Well, I think we're gonna wrap up this video for right now. Got some others that we'll be making and coming soon in the next few days. Ow! Diesel's paw is very heavy. Yeah. I'm gonna try to get a couple videos out of today's plowing. However you want to take that. forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more snowplow, for more diesel, for more hammer. Yes. Like and subscribe. See y'all later.